Hello students, this is Rana sir. Welcome back to my third lecture on inverse trigonometry. This lecture you will find that I am solving all the most important questions what is required for board level solving of inverse trigonometry. So let me start with some proving initially. Let me take a question. Tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x is equals to pi by 4 plus tan inverse x. So this is a question. I will use direct formula method. Also without formula also I can do for you. But first let me see the formula method how to solve it. Now this I will set from the left hand side. What I will do, this is tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus 1 into x. Now actually what I am doing here, tan inverse a minus b by 1 plus a into b means what? I am putting this formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, which is tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. If you check properly, what I am doing, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y can be written as tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. This only I will use for solving this or proving this question. Now you see, this is tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x. I can write it directly, tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x. That means this one I can write it tan pi by 4 minus tan inverse x. Now if I remove this tan inverse and tan, because this pi by 4 is in the range of tan inverse, so it becomes pi by 4 minus tan inverse x. So it's a very simple way. Directly I am applying the formula and I am solving this question. Now students, I can solve this one by substituting value of 1 also and using the tan a minus b formula. That also is possible. So I can do in that way. Let me do that method also. For that method, what will I do? I will write tan inverse. In place of 1, as you all know, it is tan 45 degree. Tan pi by 4 meaning is tan 45 degree minus x. X, let me take it as tan theta. So I am writing here, let x equals to tan theta. Now you see very nicely what is happening. 1 minus tan pi by 4 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan 45 is 1. So I can write tan pi by 4 into tan theta. Now what is happening? This is tan inverse a, tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Ultimately this fits to the formula tan of a minus b, that is pi by 4 minus theta. Now tan inverse and tan I can remove it. That means I am left over with what? Tan pi, only pi by 4 minus theta. If you see properly, I have taken x equals to tan theta. That means theta is what? Tan inverse x. So if x equals to tan theta, then theta equals to tan inverse x. I will substitute here. In place of theta, I will put tan inverse x, and that's the proving. I hope so students, this is very easy and very simple way of proving. These sort of questions are very common for board level examination. Let me check next question. Next question, I will take tan inverse x plus tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square equals to tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. So this is the question. This question they are asking prove that tan inverse x plus tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square equals to tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. Now let me take the left hand side of the question, LHS. Now this is tan inverse x. Now tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Students, please follow this step. This is 2 tan inverse x. I am highlighting this part with red. You see, this is 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x formula, in my first lecture I proved it is tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. So and in place of this I will write 2 tan inverse x. Now 2 tan inverse x I got, and this is 1 tan inverse x. So result is 3 tan inverse x. Now 3 tan inverse x, if you see my first lecture, 3 tan inverse x, this is a direct formula. 3 tan inverse x is tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. That's it. That's the proving. I hope so. It's a very simple and the easiest explanation I have made for solving such provings. Let me move to another question, students. Some more questions on proving. Question is tan inverse root x plus root y by 1 minus root xy. This is equals to tan inverse root x plus tan inverse root y. Now this is a simple question. It is simple a 1 mark question type question it is. You can do also this question by two methods. One method, you can directly apply the formula. Directly apply the formula again, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, which meaning is tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. You see, let me go from the left hand side of the question. It is tan inverse root x plus tan inverse root y by 1 minus. This is root of xy. I am breaking it to root x into root y. Now this sets to the formula. Students, I am again marking you all this part. It is setting to the formula, direct formula, which is tan inverse root x plus tan inverse root y. That's the proving. That is a simple way of solving. I can do another way also. So let me see the next method, how to solve this question. Now again LHS, it is tan inverse root x plus root y by 1 minus root x into root y. Now what I will do, I will substitute. In place of root x I will take it tan theta, in place of root y I will take it tan alpha. So let me take root x equals to tan theta and root y equals to tan alpha. So root x tan theta, root y tan alpha. That means this takes the picture like this. In place of root x I will write tan theta. In place of root y I will write tan alpha by 1 minus tan theta into tan alpha. Now see, this is tan inverse tan theta tan A plus tan B whole thing by 1 minus tan A into tan B, which means what? Tan of A plus B. So this changes like this. This means tan inverse tan theta plus alpha. So I can remove this too. I am getting theta plus alpha. Now root x equals to tan theta. So theta equals to tan inverse root x. Root y equals to tan alpha. Alpha equals to tan inverse root y. So this is tan inverse root x. This is tan inverse root y. And that's the proving. I hope so, students, it is clear. And this is another method for solving the same question which I have done. So let me move to next proving. Question is tan inverse sin x by 1 plus cos x. They are asking prove this is equals to x by 2. Students, please take note of this. I will go to the submultiple angle formulas of class 11. Now class 11, we know sin 2x is what? 2 sin x cos x. Same way, if it is sin 4x, it is 2 sin 2x cos 2x. Means whatever the angle is getting divided by 2. Let me tell you, if I have sin 2x, I can write 2 sin x into cos x. Same way, if I write sin 4x, I will write 2 sin 2x into cos 2x. Same way, if I write only sin x, I can write it 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Same way, 1 plus cos 4x, 1 plus cos 2x. This can be written as 2 cos square x. In my first lecture, this simple simplification of trigonometric formula I explained you there. So whatever the angle is here, that is getting halved. So 2 cos square x it is. Same way, if it is 1 plus cos x, it will become 2 cos square x by 2. This is what simple trigonometric explanation of class 11's trigonometry. I will use this application out here for solving this question. So let me take the left hand side. Please take note, this is really a very easy and important question. Tan inverse, this is sin x, 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Just now what I explained you, that sin 2x or sin x or sin 4x, I have applied sin x, 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. It is nothing, it is submultiple angle formula. Now it is 1 plus cos x, which meaning is 2 cos square x by 2. Now this 2 and 2 is cut, 1 cos is cut. So ultimately the result is tan inverse tan x by 2. Tan inverse tan x by 2. Now tan and tan is gone. Ultimately what I am getting? I am getting simple x by 2. I hope so students, it is totally clear and it's very easy. But please keep in mind that trigonometry formulas of class 11s are very important, and I am applying all that. So let me take some more example now. They are asking find the value of sine half cos inverse 4 by 5. Please take note, this is a bit difficult question, but I will explain you, it will become very easy. Generally we have 2 or directly cos inverse, we do what? Triangle method and solve it. But here it is a half out here. So that is the problem out here. So how we solve? So students, please check. What I am doing, first let me take this part, this inner part, this part specially I will take it as theta. The whole thing I will take it as theta. So half cos inverse 4 by 5 equals to theta. This is what? Let. That means this inner part I have taken it as theta. So cos inverse 4 by 5 is 2 theta. That means if I remove this cos inverse to this side, so cos 2 theta, this is 4 by 5. But what I have to find? What is my requirement? My requirement is sine, this whole thing I have taken it as theta. My requirement is sine theta. That means to find sine theta. This is my requirement. Because I have taken the whole this part as theta and this is sine out here, that means I have to find sine theta. Sine theta is my requirement. What I have cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is 4 by 5. So what I will do, this I will change to sine theta. How will I change it? Please take note. Now I have cos 2 theta equals to 4 by 5. That meaning 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. It is 4 by 5. Because we have the formula of cos 2 theta where we change it in terms of sine. So 1 minus 4 by 5. It is 2 sine squared theta. Now this is 1 minus 4 by 5, meaning is 1 by 5, which is 2 sine squared theta. That means this 2 if I bring down, it is 1 by 10 sine squared theta. Students, please take note, this is sine theta now. 1 by root 10 cannot be negative, only positive, because inverse trigo in first quadrant we get the value as what? Positive 1 by root 10. That's the answer, students. I hope so I am clear, and it is very, very easy. My requirement was sine theta. I have written here to find sine theta, because the question, the inner part, I took it as what? Theta. So I found that sine theta, which is 1 by root 10. I hope so. The question solving is very easy. I will take another very, very important question, students. By substitution method, how will I show? It is tan inverse root over of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. This is equals to half tan inverse x. Let me prove this. This is very easy. Let x equals to tan theta. Keep in mind something. If you have 1 minus x square, I am writing here, if you have 1 minus x square, that means I will take x equals to sine theta. If I have 1 minus x square, I will substitute x equals to sine theta. If I have 1 plus x square, I will substitute x equals to tan theta. If I have x square minus 1, I will put x equal to sec theta. This is a very, very important idea for solving questions of inverse trigonometry. Very, very important. Not only inverse trigonometry, even also when you do calculus, such substitutions are required. 1 minus x square, we will put x equal to sine theta. 1 plus x square, we put x equals to tan theta. X square minus 1, we will take x equal to sec theta. Now, as it is 1 plus x square, I have taken what? X equals to tan theta. That means this is tan inverse root over of 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 by tan theta. Now, this is sec square theta. This is what? 1 plus tan square theta, meaning is what? Sec square theta. So, there is a root, sec square theta and root, it will become only sec theta. So, the result is what? Tan inverse. This is sec theta minus 1 by tan theta. Now, sec theta can be written as what? 1 by cos minus 1. Tan can be written as what? Sine by cos. Okay, so let me see what to do next. I will write tan inverse sec theta. I will write 1 by cos theta minus 1, and tan theta I will write sine theta by cos theta. My next part, what will I do here now? Tan inverse 1 minus cos theta by cos theta. This is sine theta by cos theta. But what happens next? This cos and cos is cancelled. Now this tan inverse 1 minus cos theta, which is 2 sin square theta by 2, and down it is sin theta, 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Students, this is what simple trigonometry of class 11. 1 square and sin theta is cancelled, 2 is cancelled. Ultimately, the result is what? Sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2, which is tan theta by 2. So, sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Tan inverse tan theta by 2. If I remove this, only theta by 2 is left over. So, please take note now. I am supposed to prove half tan inverse x. Now, that means half in place of theta. As I have taken x equal to sin theta, so theta is what? X equal to tan theta, so theta is what? Tan inverse x. So that is the proving, students. I hope I am clear, and it's very important. I will move to some solving of questions now. Next is find the value. Let me take a question. Sec square tan inverse 2 plus cosec square cot inverse 3. This is equals to 15. And the proving question, not a solve, proving. So this sort of questions are very important for examination point of view. You see, it is sec square theta. I can write it 1 plus tan inverse 2 whole square. It is sec square. That means what I can write? I can write sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So I have written 1 plus tan inverse 2 whole square. Same way, this is cosec square theta. 1 plus cot inverse 3 whole square. So tan inverse and tan is cancelled. So 1 plus 2 square, which is 4, 1 plus 3 square, which is 9. So 10, 14, 15. That's the proving. Such a nice question it is, students. Please see what a nice question it is. Let me do some proving, some very important proving. The question is proving. Students, let me do some solving, not some proving, solving. Sine inverse 1 minus x, and a very classic and the most important question. Sine inverse 2 sine inverse x equals to pi by 2. Now they are asking solve for x, such an important question it is. You see, 2 sine inverse x. I will write pi by 2 minus sine inverse 1 by x. Now minus 2 sine inverse x. So it is pi by 2 minus sine inverse x. I know sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus sine inverse x, it is simple cos inverse x. Now what will I do? I will take cos both sides. If I take cos both sides, cos minus 2 sine inverse x equals to cos inverse 1 minus x. Now see, this cos and cos is cancelled. Now cos negative on the angle, it is of no use because cos of negative theta is cos theta. So it becomes cos, now 2 sine inverse x, cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta can be written as 1 minus sine square theta. I am writing one step directly, cos of minus. This minus is becoming positive. Ultimately cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta can be written as 1 minus 2 sine square theta is equals to, this cos and cos cancel, 1 minus x. So this 1 and this 1 is cancelled. Then ultimately what is left over? Sine inverse and sine is also cut. Minus 2x square equals to minus x. Minus and minus also cut. Then what happens? It happens to be like this now, 2x squared minus x equals to 0. I will take x common, 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Either x equals to 0 or x equals to half. But students, be careful. This question, I have two solutions. On 0, the question is possible. On half, it is not possible. That means this is the solution. X equals to half, not possible. How not possible? You need to substitute in the main equation. Now when you substitute in the main equation x equals to 0, you will see it is both sides is satisfying, but x equals to half, it is not satisfying. That's it, student. I suppose it's a nice question I have done, and this lecture will help you all for solving questions of trigonometry. Thank you.